Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we're making a brand new split pony. We have Rarity today and we're going to turn her into a split pony of Rarity and Sweetie Belle. Sweetie Belle is Rarity's sister, so it makes a lot of sense to also make her as a split pony. Sweetie Belle is also a member of the Cutie Mark Crusader. This is my second split pony of a Cutie Mark Crusader. Did you watch my first one? If you did, comment below which Cutie Mark Crusader split pony I made. Before we start, if you like these split pony customs, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way you will know when my next video is posted. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the hair. Split ponies are best when the hair for each side of the pony is molded separately. So I'm going to use scissors to cut the mane as close as I can to the scalp. I'm also going to cut off the tail. Now we need to remove the stubble of hair. We're going to do this by removing Rarity's head. Then we're going to cut out this neck plug with an X-Acto knife. Once the plug is out, I can reach in with my long nose pliers and pull out the hair from the inside. Okay, so most of the hair is out and I've glued the head back on. Because Rarity's cutie mark is on this side of the pony, we're going to make the other side Sweetie Belle. I'm going to use a bit of tape to cover up the cutie mark and eyes to protect it. Then with some acetone, I'm going to wipe off the eyes on the other side. And we're also going to remove this paint. This paint is really pretty, but I don't think it'll be covered up by Sweetie Belle's light gray color. Here we go, this side is completely blank. Next, with a piece of tape, we're going to tape the pony right down the middle, all the way around. This will help create a clean edge when we paint Sweetie Belle's body. Now we can paint. We're going to paint Sweetie Belle's side a very light gray. Next, we're going to paint the eyes, starting with a large white oval. Then with black, we're going to line the top of her eyes and add lashes. Now we'll color in the irises with a light green shade. Color in the pupils with black. And add white dots with my dotting pen. Now let's remove the tape and see what she looks like so far. So far so good. Sweetie Belle is just a few shades darker than Rarity. Now we're ready to make the hair. I'm going to be using oven baked clay. This clay is colored so we don't have to paint afterwards. Sweetie Belle's mane has two colors. There's a light purple and a pink color. So we're going to use these two colors and we're going to build them piece by piece. Now ready to build the tail. I'm going to start with a longer log of pink. And we're going to add a little bit of purple on top. For Rarity's side, I'm going to be using a dark purple color. I'm going to start with a flat piece, and we're going to cut out the shape of the mane. Now we're going to score it so that we get these nice pretty lines. We're going to curl up the bottom and attach it to her head. For the tail, we're going to start with a long flat strip, and we're also going to score it a little bit on both sides. And then I'm going to curl it up. And attach it to the other side of Sweetie Belle's tail. And of course, we need to do Sweetie Belle's cutie mark. So her cutie mark has a few colors. We're going to start with the dark purple, then light purple, a red stripe, a star, and a magenta music note. Alright everyone, so we are done. We have a split pony, a Rarity, and her sister Sweetie Belle. So on this side is Rarity, of course. So she has her beautiful hair all curled up. I really like the way her tail curls. Look at that, isn't that cute? And of course, on this other side we have Sweetie Belle. Her hair is a light pink and purple in color, and she mostly has smaller curls. And here from the front you can see that one of the biggest difference are the eyes. So Rarity of course has some fancy eyes with blue eyeshadow and big lashes, but Sweetie Belle is still a little filly, so she has big round eyes with little small lashes. And of course, here we have our other Cutie Mark Crusader split pony. We have Scootaloo and Rainbow Dash. So this one was made from a different type of pony, so that's why she is bigger. And also her hair is already pre-molded. But here we have it. We have the two of them. So which one do you like better so far? Do you like Rarity and Sweetie Belle, or do you like Scootaloo and Rainbow Dash? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!